So, hi guys. Look, if this sound is familiar to you and this effect is familiar to you, see that the screen is connected to the sound. Okay. So, how to solve it? I've been wondering about this for ages. I found a fucking solution. You're gonna love it. This is the computer, and this is the amplification system. There you go. Even better. That's it. Take away the whatever is powering your monitor, your sound. Take it away from the same socket as the computer is plugged. Just changing it from socket. Took out the chirping and stuff like that. So this third socket, the one that makes the least sound, comes from another comes from another room. From a different of these. I can show you. Yeah. The computer is connected here, and now the amp, the one that makes the least sound, is connected here. Now, in your case, you won't have this system, you will have this click click. Anyway, change it from network, change it from the computer, from where the computer is connected at. Oops. And tell me about it.